these are the dry seasonings that I'm using. The basics are salt, garlic salt, onion, powder, and pepper. If you don't have all of these, I know with the coronavirus you might be short on supplies. Use paprika, you could use Mrs. Dash, and any other dry rubs that you might have in your cupboard. After 2 hours, uncover, put any store-bought barbecue sauce on one side, let it cook for 45 minutes to an hour, then flip it over and do the same to the other side. I'm gonna have to put some more sauce on it in just a bit and flip it over to get more sauce. So I need to flip this over so it could get cooked a little more on the other side.